Hey, so we're gonna go work out. Don't really feel like going to work out. Gonna do it anyway. At least 30 minutes cardio. Try to do some arms. My arms are feeling itchy. Want to do some weights on them. So I'll do my arms today, not my legs, but I'll do cardio, probably 30 minutes on the bike. But first, B12. Now I have to tell you about this B12. I got it. It's injectable. It's online, and they send the vials out. They give you syringes. They give you the alcohol pads and everything. This has been a game changer. I still have bouts of like fatigue where it just washes over me and I must sleep. Like I get sick if I don't go to sleep or lay down, or just I knock out basically. And that happened to me yesterday, but that also may be like when I am not sticking to a healthy diet. So I need to actually get on a healthy diet and stay on it for more than a week and see if that is like a big contributor to not being fatigued. However, I don't wake up and at 10 o'clock in the morning have to take a nap right now. And this is, I noticed the change more than anything else that I have ever taken, this B12. I think I'm going to be a lifer on B12 shots because it's wonderful. It does give me energy. And besides all that, it's not like a hyped up energy. It's just like normal, like a normal person and not a fatigued person. But I do have fatigue here and there where I have to go lay down and I have to sleep. The trainer wanted us to come in later today instead of earlier this morning when they first opened. So we're gonna go in later. I thought maybe that I could use the swimming hot tub and whatnot today, but I don't know if we'll do that. Nice. Are y'all being nice? Do I have hair all over me? Anyway.
I think you're like a cat.
Hi. We went to the hair salon and she is going to be booked up for 3 to 6 weeks. So she gave me an alternative person to go to and I'm gonna see about it, but she is on vacation right now, so I don't want to call her yet. She's like, yeah, she can see you on Wednesday, but I don't know, so we'll see. We're going in here now to get, what are we getting? Oh, we're gonna hang our bird feeder.
Didn't those already pass? We're gonna try to put our bird feeder on the sheet metal we have roof, so we're gonna probably try to use this. We'll see how that works.
We're gonna go look at a dog house just to price them, see how much they are, get them completely ready before we get a dog. Oh, doggy statue, yeah. I think this is good. $40 for a concrete bird bath? That's cheap, isn't it?
Uh-oh. Yeah, the doggies are 30. You like those?
Beeping?
Yeah.
Here, hold my bag.
To the right.
To the right, to the right.
Did you know that I like to do right? You're right. Yeah. Shoes. Boots. Shoes. Boots. Shoes.
What you got?
Shoes. We got a trend set from outside in here.
Woohoo! All this train stuff. Oh, this. Ooh, we making a hole in the roof. Ooh. Oh. Anyway, he's gonna hang the thing. Oh, and this is he's gonna hang the bird feeder. And this is a woodpecker treat bar. And I can't wait to hang this one up too. It's a self-hanger. It says instant feeder.
All right, so I went ahead and hung that little hanger on top of the house, and let's see if it holds really well. So this is what the bird feeder looks like. I put the hanger over there, and Andrea wants it in front of our window. Yummy. Woo! It's quite heavy. Let's see if it holds. Minus one project to go.
Apart.
Bad then.
What you got? You got marbles in your socks?
Alright, so we're done surface cleaning, and I didn't do a time lapse or anything this time. I actually just wanted to see how it will go, and I think it looks really much better than what he did. However, the surface cleaner was too strong for this type of material, and that's actually not me punching a hole, that's just algae and whatnot. But as you can tell, you can actually see it. And these, you were not able to see these at all. And now, it's at least, that's like first cleaning, you know, it'll get better with time, but it's already 300% better. I didn't shoot a before, but you guys must have seen it before. This looks amazing. The cleaner did exactly what it's supposed to do. This looks like concrete now and not algae land. I don't think this has ever been cleaned, ever, like since it was created 30 years ago. And so this is awesome to see it, how it should have been. Spot focus! I can't. So, another project done. What project are you working on? Are you done editing?
Drinking more. No, I'm editing half. I got this at Dollar Tree. I forgot to put it in my dollar haul. Mom is just wow upside down. The only reason that I bought this was because we went to like Sunny's or something, and you know, you get a styrofoam cup with a lid, and I just kept using that cup, and I realized I had drank like 3 times more water. This has Mio in it. It's like
energy, caffeine, B12,
not Save a Lot, but
vitamins.
What's it called?
Aldi?
No, it's an energy Mio.
Aldi.
It's Aldi, yeah. This is like generic Mio energy drink stuff. Rafael made it, so he just squirted a little bit in it. And I just sit here and I drink like 2 or 3 of these. So I get my water.
At least you drink.
Yeah. Because before I was drinking maybe Some days I didn't have anything to drink at all. That's really bad. So I'm drinking at least 3 times more than I used to.
For sure.
Yeah. I don't like drinking out of like plastic because it's bad for you.
BPA.
But, yeah.
Funny thing is, we started when the very first vegan movement came along in 2008. We started in 2009 to get rid of all the BPA stuff.
Yeah, we
went
got rid of like all our
juicing,
plastic.
all raw, natural. So we know all about everything.
Yeah, but some things, I mean, like water, drink out of this. Are you okay?
I still drink out of my stainless steel cup. I like it.
Yeah,
we bought one.
I like it too, but I wasn't drinking out of it.
Right, and I normally don't drink a lot of various drinks. I usually just keep to my water, but I've been doing the surface cleaning and whatnot for like 2 hours maybe now and doing everything. So I like to have my own splurge once in a while. I'm usually extremely strict.
Can I browse your computer?
I usually really, extremely sometimes am strict with myself about eating sweets and eating processed foods and processed drinks and all that. So like in restaurants, I rarely ever, I don't order beer, I don't order any processed drinks, anything, and I don't get dessert. So to me, when I like to do that, it's a splurge, it's something big. Is that yummy? Yeah, we bought a few of those. Actually, we're talking about making a milkshake, but you guys have been eating it. Rafael ate some too.
She's eaten like 5 cutie oranges within the past hour. So.
Go raw.
Yeah, when we ate raw, we ate like as much as we wanted to.
It's very sunny outside here. It was supposed to rain all afternoon, but somehow we always get the rain just past us and just not here. And if we do get rain, then it rains for hours. But what I'm getting at is my bike ride group. There is a bike ride group that I joined once, and I'm probably going to do it again. They're road bikers, but I'm going to join them on my mountain bike because they're like, oh, you're young. Oh, yeah, it's all good for you. But I keep up with them, so that's good for me. I really try hard. Haven't had a try hard workout for a long time. I lost my mentor. I left him in Israel.
Oh, yeah. I worked out today. I did rowing. I rowed today because I didn't feel like
on the water row machine?
Bike again. It wasn't water, it was like a chain.
Oh, I thought it's the water one.
There's a water one and then there's a chain.
Okay.
I did the chain one.
All right.
But I didn't feel like riding a bike again, so I rode.
Yeah,
I could rode.
It's good to spice it up.
Like all day long, I think. Rowing's fun, but when I was done, I was pretty sweaty, so it's pretty good. And then I did some weightlifting. Working it out.
All right.
Okay. We have a special treat for the kids today.
If I was a grown-up and I was in there, I would have had more cats than that. Look at it. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah. This dog is outside right now. That's where it lives.